Please write example and result both, right? So with the sample numbers, I have given sample data. Let's use 17 and 3 as sample data. You can give any number and try this. You can give any number and try this practice. I have given some sample data. Right. This example is about the operators. Right. Please remember the modulus operator specially. The modulus operator specially. And actually, I'll give you some exercise. So where you can try using Python. So please, so I know you all are not kids like to do the homework and send it to me, but just so practice this together, right? Because I know you all are going to face examination, right? So, but examination is only one thing in your life, right? Exam එකක් කියන්නේ මේ හැමදාම ඔයගොල්ලෝ A level ලියන්නේ නැහැ. Every day you are not writing A levels. One day you have to find a good career. Maybe you have to start your own business. If you don't want to do a job, that's totally okay. So you can start your own business, whatever. So remember that IT is like one of the topmost field you can enjoy. Because if you study the life of Bill Gates, right? You know Bill Gates. So he's the world's. He was world's number one. He's only 65 years old by now, and he was. His net worth is 122.4 billion. 122.4 billion US dollars. So what he's selling, he's developing Microsoft based softwares. He's the owner of Microsoft company, and he's topmost person in the world. And so let's say okay, top top 10 richest man in the world. So number one is right here. Now you can see there are some changes. Now Elon Musk has come to the first place. He's CEO of Tesla and SparkX. Then Jeff Bezos, so he's owner of Amazon, again IT company. Bill Gates, owner of Microsoft IT company. So you can see number 5 is Mark Zuckerberg, your friend. Mark Zuckerberg is right here. He's the person who has developed Facebook. He's only 36 years old, but he's world's number 5. Again, owns IT company. Right? There's a special say by Bill Gates. I would like to highlight that before we finish the class today. Bill Gates said something. Bill Gates said something about his friend. So this is it. So can you read it? I think better you read it by your own rather than me explaining this. Okay, for the blind people, let me read this, because I think you are almost closer to get blind, because I think because now time is 9:30, you are going to sleep now. Okay, what Bill Gates said, I failed some subjects in exam. Mama samara subjects exam එකේ fail වුණා. But my friend passed in all. මගේ යාළුවා සියලුම exam pass වුණා. Now he is an engineer in Microsoft. දැන් එයා Microsoft සමාගමේ engineer කෙනෙක් විදියට ඉංජිනේරුවෙක් විදියට වැඩ කරනවා. And I am the owner of Microsoft. එයාගේ යාළුවෝ ඔක්කොම exam pass වෙලා engineer කෙනෙක් වෙලා වැඩ කරන සමාගමේ අයිතිකාරයා කවුද? It's Bill Gates. So that is the wonder of this. Exam is only one thing, right? Exam is only one benefit. Please get all the benefits of this. For an example, if you go to let's say you are going to visit Himalaya. You are going to visit Himalaya, one of the So that is the tallest mountain in the world. හිමාලයේ ගිහිල්ලා ඔයා නිකන් හිමාලයේ උඩට නගින්න ගිහිල්ලා ඊට පස්සේ ඔයා නිකන් මේ හිමාලයේ නිකන් පල්ලෑ ඉඳන් බලලා හිමාලය හොඳයි කියලා එනවා. So that doesn't give you some good experience. Similar to that, if you learn ICT, like or dislike, not like or like කැමති උනත් අකමැති උනත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ IT තෝරාගෙන, if you like or not, you have selected ICT now. Now you have to enjoy the subject. Don't just do the exam and come and say I did ICT for A-level examination and I got a C pass. So that doesn't matter, right? So having a C pass, it's okay, but if you get something more from ICT, that's what you really need, right? So practice this. So I'll give you one exercise to practice. You can practice this at home. That is this. So I'm going to import something new to this, that is called import turtle. Please take a screenshot of this. Then I'm creating object of this, t equal turtle dot capital T turtle. So please remember this capital and simple letters because it matters. So simple capital is sorry, simple letter is not similar to capital letter in Python. Then what I'm going to do, t dot forward. So let's go to 100 pixel forward and let's turn left 90 degrees and let's move to move again. Let's move again 40 pixels. Let's turn right. Turn right 100 pixels likewise, and then move again 40 pixels or 50 pixels. Likewise, you can try this, right? Or 90 pixels, something like this. So let me save this as a new file. This is save as exercise 2 homework hm.py, and I'm going to run this. Now you can see some illustration in my screen. Okay, can you see? So started moving 100 pixels, turn left 90 degrees and went up 40 pixels, turn right 100 degrees and then forward 90 pixels. Okay, what I expect you to do, please draw a house using Python turtle. ගෙදරක් අඳින්න. පොඩි ළමයින්ට පුංචි කාලේ දෙන වැඩ වගේ තමයි. So please draw a house using Python turtle. So you can copy this, right? You can see the code. Just take a screenshot. Oh, I can send this to you. I'll send this code to you. Copy it and send. Now you can see in the chat. So please draw a house using Python turtle next day. So this is just to enjoy, right? So this will not come for the exam. Exam එකට එන්නේ නැහැ. But ඔයාලා නිකන් ලියලා බලන්න. එතකොටත් ඔයාලට මේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ පික්සල් කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ, කොච්චර පික්සල් ගානක්ද, how this happen, how the degrees are, how many degrees you have to turn. Likewise, you have to write the code. Left, right, forward, backward, those are the things that you have to use with the brackets. Try this code along and try to draw illustration, and if possible, please send me a screenshot. Take a photo and send it to me. I'm really happy to see those kind of performance from you all, right? Performances from you all. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. So please do this and come, right? Please do this and come. It doesn't matter if you cannot do, but if you do this, that's a bonus. Okay then, good night. See you all in the next week, right?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Good
Bye.
night, sir. Thank you, sir.